Here is an easy fingerstyle to learn even if you're not playing guitar that long. Once you have it, instead of strumming a song, you could play it in fingerstyle instead. Here we look at a G chord, and you're going to use your thumb and your first finger, that's all. You will need a reference point on the guitar so that long term you will be able to play without looking at the strings. But it's a good idea to actually look at the strings and learn it very slowly. My reference point is the heel pad on the bridge for most of my fingerstyle, but you could use your little finger touching somewhere along here and pick the strings there if you want to. Both are correct, or a combination. But don't leave your hand up in the air, because you will constantly have to look at your guitar long term to get these notes right. So once you've found your reference point, I'm using a G chord, and because I'm not going to be using the first string, I actually don't need to put any finger on the first string. If I slide a little bit, you will see that I just have one finger on the G chord, just the second finger on the 6th string, 2nd fret. Here's the sequence very slowly. 6th string with your thumb, downstroke. 3rd string with your first finger, upstroke. And 4th string with your thumb, down. And 2nd string with your first finger, upstroke. That's all. I'll do it a little bit faster. Thumb off the 6th, first finger off the 3rd, thumb off the 4th, first finger off the 2nd. I'll do it a little faster. Now it's starting to roll. So you will learn this very easy and off by heart, and gradually speed it up as fast as you possibly can. It's getting faster there. And now it's at speed. And you can play thousands of songs with that fingerstyle for G chord.